Imagine graduating with a world-class US degree without drowning in debt. What if I told you there's a way to receive tuition coverage, stipends, and even health insurance at one of America's top universities? Stay tuned, because today I'm revealing how you could get fully or partially funded at Loyola University Chicago. Welcome to this deep dive into Loyola University Chicago's graduate scholarships and funding opportunities. These include tuition scholarships, fellowships, assistantships, stipends, tuition waivers, travel support, and research funding that can dramatically reduce or completely eliminate your tuition costs. Here's what we're covering. Section 1. Benefits of the scholarship. Section 2. Eligibility criteria. Section 3. Other requirements. Section 4. How to apply. Section 5. Deadlines. Section 6. Important tips to win this scholarship. Make sure you like this video and subscribe right now because you are going to get real value. Section 1. Benefits of the scholarship. Loyola offers multiple forms of graduate funding. These include tuition scholarships, fellowships, and assistantships. Many fellowships and assistantships provide a full tuition waiver, a stipend to support your living expenses, and health insurance, meaning you may not have to pay tuition out of pocket. There are also travel awards of up to $750 per fiscal year to help students present their research at conferences. In addition, some students are eligible for small research expense reimbursements up to $500 when approved. Specialized fellowships also support PhD candidates nearing the completion of their dissertations. Overall, these benefits can significantly reduce or eliminate financial stress while studying at Loyola University Chicago. Section 2. Eligibility criteria. Scholarships and funding opportunities are available for graduate students, master's and doctoral levels. However, eligibility depends on the type of funding. Tuition scholarships that require the FAFSA are not available to international students because FAFSA is a US federal aid form. Some departmental fellowships and assistantships, however, may still be available depending on your specific program. Eligibility varies by department, so applicants must review the requirements for their chosen field. Alright, Section 3. Other requirements. To maintain most awards, students must remain in good academic and disciplinary standing and maintain the minimum required GPA, which is often around a 2.0. Enrollment status also affects funding. If you withdraw or drop courses, your scholarship may be prorated. Each fellowship or assistantship may have additional program-specific requirements, so definitely keep an eye out for those. The official funding pages do not list age requirements or language test requirements like IELTS, specifically for scholarship eligibility, so we're not going to assume them here. Basically, requirements depend primarily on the academic program and funding category. Before we continue, don't forget that if you want to maximize your scholarship success, you can get the Scholarship Success Pro course. This course teaches you how to optimize your scholarship documents, write powerful essays, and increase your chances of winning. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. Also, comment below and tell me which country and city you are watching from. I'd love to know where you're tuning in from. Section 4. How to apply. First, apply for admission to your chosen graduate program at Loyola University Chicago. Admission is the foundation. You cannot receive departmental funding without being admitted. Second, once you submit your admission application, visit the graduate school's financial assistance page and check the available funding options for your program, such as fellowships and assistantships. Third, if a funding option requires a separate application, which many fellowships do, prepare the required documents. These may include statements, research proposals, or letters, depending on the fellowship. Fourth, if you are a US citizen or eligible non-citizen, complete the FAFSA early using school code 001710. Fifth, monitor your student portal or email for updates about awards, and ensure you enroll in the required number of credits to maintain your eligibility. Remember, admission and funding applications are often separate, so make sure you follow all instructions carefully. Section 5. Application deadline and application period. Loyola does not have one universal deadline for all scholarships, because each department sets its own timeline. However, many program-based assistantships and fellowships require applicants to complete their admission application and all supporting documents by early deadlines, often around February 1st, though some programs may set earlier dates. FAFSA is recommended to be submitted as early as possible for eligible applicants. Check your specific program's page for exact deadlines. Section 6. Important tips to win this scholarship. Tip 1. Apply as early as you can. Funding slots are limited and competitive, and early applicants are often reviewed first. Tip 2. Tailor your application materials, such as research statements or personal essays, to your program. Show the committee that your goals align with Loyola's mission and your department's strengths. Tip 3. Maintain strong academic performance and full enrollment, because GPA and credit load can determine whether you receive or keep your award. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our scholarship guides. The official Loyola University Chicago scholarship link and the Scholarship Success Pro Course link are waiting for you in the description and the pinned comment. Start preparing your applications today. I can't wait to see you here. And I will see you in our next video. Bye.